Hello, it is 11:00 something p.m. and I'm currently in my kitchen. I got my reppin' squad, baby. So I have a few recipes that I found on Pinterest. One is pink pancakes and the other one is basically a pink latte. So we're gonna see how that goes. In the meantime, I got my Lady Gaga cookies on deck. I got sour candy in the cupboards. Sour candy. And I'm gonna be starting with the pancakes because those are the easiest thing I know to make, and I only have less than an hour to get all this done because the concert starts at 12 a.m. Also, like, I'm like kind of tired. Like, I had a feeling I should have probably taken a nap earlier, but I just didn't. But let's just get this started. I hate that light. I hate it. I hate it so much. Something about it just gives me anxiety. Okay, whatever. So like I said, we're starting first with the pancakes, and both of these have beet in it. I've never had beet in my life, so we're about to find out if I like beet or not. Heaven sent you to me. I'm just hoping I don't repeat history. It's also like a snowstorm outside. I love the snow. I love the vibes of the snow. Like, if I move somewhere, I don't think I can ever move to LA. Like, I need snow. You know what I mean? Like, I need the vibe. We're gonna check out this video. This will give me like basic instructions. Okay. Yeah, milk. This is loud as fuck. Wait a minute, I don't have any flour. Oh, okay, hold on. I'm in the process of saving the day. I have pancake mix that my mom gave me and put it in a bag. Thank you, Mom. Starting hey yo. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna put a beet and some vanilla extract and some of this in my NutriBullet. So let's try that. Okay, I need to hurry up. I just did dishes, so like I haven't put away my dishes and I don't have that much counter space, like at all. So I guess I'll just do it over here. Oh, I gotta piss. Okay, so in the ingredients, they put a whole beet in there. The Beauty and the Beet, anyone? These are whole beets. And I kind of don't want to put a whole one in there because I don't know how it tastes. So I kind of just want to put half of beet. Ooh, check out my fit. Ooh. So what are you guys looking forward to the most in the show? Personally, I'm so fucking stoked for Rose Solo. Ooh, it's like really red. Wow, the juice is like coming up, and girl, cause like I've never eaten a beet, you know, like I said. Maybe I should just put in the juice. Put in the juice, cause it's like hella red. Like, look at that. Ooh, it's like period blood. What does it taste like? I mean, it's okay. Actually, maybe I have had this, but most fruit juices taste the same. Like, kind of tastes like celery juice. Ooh, one whole beet. So I guess that's good enough. Look how cute that is. Those looks like, you know, like Dr. Pimple Popper, where she like extracts like a cyst. That's gross, but you know what I mean. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in a blender. Say hi to my NutriBullet. NutriBullet, say hi. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put this chicken tail. I'm a professional chef because I have no need to measure. Ooh, next time I should make matcha pancakes. That'd be cute. Ooh, that's like pink. Ooh, we get into the pink, black pink. Okay, well, Cameron said he didn't want to help me because he's watching a Wendy Williams documentary, so NutriBullet time. Did it even? Oh, it didn't even fall down. Okay. Now let's see if this is good enough consistency for, I'm about to say peanut butter. Really liquidy. This supposed to, that smells like my granddad. I don't know. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon in here. I mean, this is not a half a teaspoon, girl. This is like half a cup. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm about to put half a cup in here. I got pinks, that's all that matters, right? Right? What the fuck was that? Oh shit. Oh fuck.
This is kind of low-key a disaster. Okay.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna bake them. I'm gonna bake them now. The way that you love me. I do not have time for this. Okay. So, Cameron came in to help because he stopped watching Wendy once. He realized the true woman in his life.
She's still on though.
Okay, anyway, so I made these. Look at them in the light. They're so pink. Ow! Okay, that really burns. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the latte mix. So I'm basically just gonna throw this out. Look at this water. Look how pink it is. Wow, that's aesthetic right there. That's like Nicki Minaj super bass water. You know when she's in the pool and she's humping on that guy and she has that green outfit on. I'm not sure how much that is, but I forgot how much I'm supposed to put in. But I like cinnamon, so it doesn't matter.
I love that. That's really loud.
You can kind of see a froth, a little bit of froth. Ooh, it's so pink, just like blackpink. Ah! I'm like getting really excited right now. Okay, so I want to find something that like I can put it in that's see-through. Turn this off and I'll see you in another video in there. Okay, so I have a bunch of blackpink stuff and I'm trying to figure out how to lay it on my bed. It's like super aesthetic. So I'm thinking like, I got this from the album. This picture of blackpink I got. I'm not gonna finish it obviously, it's just for the video to look cute, but we'll try it. It smells like beet, but the beet is hard to taste. So I guess I'll just put this with my food right here, I guess. Wow, look at that. Isn't that just so aesthetic? We got the Lady Gaga, we got the pink pancakes. These are crazy looking, am I right? Oh, I gotta try the pancakes. I'll try the pancakes, let me try. They're really fluffy. They just taste like normal pancakes. Does beet even have a flavor? That's what I want to know. Oh, last thing. This is the cherry on top, guys. Okay, as you can see, we have our 65-inch flat screen television on a Walmart box. You know what we do have? Pink lights in the back, baby. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Woo! Well, guys, that's the end of this part. So, watch me fangirl on my Instagram. Okay, bye. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! Lisa playing with fire, bitch! Yes! 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 They didn't forget about her!